Now we are going to discuss the symmetry of different geometrical figures. First of all, I have taken a line segment that has two endpoints A and B. Now, what is the line symmetry for this line segment? The line symmetry is the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. That is the green line that I have shown you over here. This green line is representing the perpendicular bisector. Let us name it CD. So, CD is the perpendicular bisector, or you can say line symmetry for this line segment. We have the point symmetry. The point symmetry is the midpoint of this line segment, and the midpoint for this line segment is point M. So, M is the point symmetry. That means if you want to check point symmetry, you will have to check it for point M on the line segment AB. Next we have the rotational symmetry. That means how many times is this line segment is to be rotated to make one complete turn, or you can say to come back to its original position in one turn. So that will be 2 times, because once it will be turned the opposite and again final turn will get back to AB. So we have to turn it 2 times, or you can say we have to rotate it 2 times in one complete turn so that line AB comes back to its original state. That was about the line segment. Next we have the angle. Here angle is represented like this. You have angle AOB. This complete angle is angle AOB. Now what will be the line symmetry? The line symmetry for angle is always its angle bisector. Now this green line over here, let us name it C. Now OC is the line, you can say, that is the bisecting of angle, right? So we can say that OC is the angle bisector of angle AOB, and this angle bisector line is the line of symmetry for this angle. Here we have another, that is point symmetry. Now what will be the point symmetry for this? We do not have any point symmetry for the angle, and we do not have any rotational symmetry. So I have written no for these.